friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the options of healthy meals that KMI Catering offer. So as you can see, this is for our customer of today. They have the normal menu, which consists of rice, chicken, fish, corn cakes, chili, fruit, etc. And they also have several meals that have healthy option. What is the healthy option? For example, the rice, they wanted to have brown rice or red rice, currently use red rice, steamed egg, steamed vegetable and potatoes, and then chicken. This calorie is 1,300 calories. Of course, the healthy option have different type of calorie because some of our customer cannot take fried food, cannot take salt, cannot take too sweet or too salty. We can all adjust it to your needs. So let us know how we, KMI Catering, can help you with your catering needs. Our numbers and contact details are available in the video description below. You can call us, text us, or connect to us with our website also to see what kind of menu and services that KMI Catering offered. For your catering needs, remember KMI Catering. Alright, I hope I'll see you in our next video. See ya! Bye!